loaded up. We are heading to Young's Point. Going to spend a couple of days there in an actual campground. Young's Point Provincial Park is located in northwestern Alberta on the northern shore of Sturgeon Lake. The campground is quite large and is suitable for RVs and tents, with both unserviced and powered sites. The campground is surrounded by forest and most sites are very well treed. Our friends the Njumes are settled in the site right beside us. It's our first trip to an actual campsite with the new Arctic Fox 811.
I'm getting my surge protector ready. That's not even out of the box yet.
That's how it works. And what does the surge protector do, dear?
It protects it from surges. It protects the electrical system of the RV from faulty wiring in the park.
That's right. So it won't blow up our microwave and fridge.
Or cause a fire.
Okay, there's insurance for that though, right?
Maybe I should use a knife.
Yeah. You want a knife?
No, I got it.
Here.
I left mine at home and you brought yours.
I brought mine.
Weird.
Here, hun. Okay, so that is going to attach to the actual outlet, or is that going to attach to the unit?
It says 2 greens, it's power.
Okay.
Open neutral, open ground, reverse polarity. So if we see a red and a green, that's no good.
Okay. That's gonna help. Do spiders help?
Wow. So is that's off. What's this one? 15. So we want 30.
30. Okay,
That's
so you plug it in first.
This is the 30. There we go. And then we'll turn it on.
Is there any power?
Oh, it was on.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so we see green lights, 3 of them. You just pulled it out.
Wow, that's gonna. Oh, jeez.
How's that gonna work now?
That's fine. So 2 greens is power on. Looks like everything's good to go. 30 amp.
Okay, and then we plug this
Plug the RV in here.
Do we turn that power off first?
No, we're good.
I hope that's not too loose.
No, it'll be good.
Thanks, Milo. You're a big help. Thanks.
Okay, now you said, do you turn this power off? We're going to turn it off because we know it's working good now.
Okay.
And then we're going to plug in the power cord and then flip the switch on.
Okay. And where does that plug in?
I'll plug in right here. There. Should push it in and then turn.
No, you just turn that little cam. Yeah.
No, you got to turn the cable too.
Okay.
It kind of locks it in place before you put this on. Okay. That's that.
And now we're going to turn the actual power on.
Breaker on. Yeah.
And how will we know the power is actually on? You have to be inside and hear the microwave going?
Yeah, you can check the microwave out.
Nice.
If the microwave is on, then we're on.
So we've got this new Gazelle Gazebo. It's a G5. Thinking it has 5 sides. I don't know. We're gonna pop this baby up and see what it looks like.
Okay.
Come on.
Let's get started.
How many pegs did they give you, honey?
Well, there's 5 sides, and they gave you 10 pegs.
Maybe you peg it on the outside too.
No. I think, oh, that's for tie downs.
Ah, for
The other 5
tie-down.
pegs are for tie downs because there's guy lines in here. So if it's really windy, you tie from here out so that the wind doesn't push these in.
And look at this. Those are substantial screws.
Yeah.
They're very well built. So smart. Oh, and you can take the sides off too.
No, you can't. This here, these here are for those sheets of the wall sheets.
Oh, the walls. Yeah.
So when you buy a package, I think you get 3, and then you can wall in 3 sides of the thing.
Okay.
And they just Velcro, and you can choose which walls you want depending on the angle of the direction of the wind.
Gotcha.
Milo's relaxing. Let's go see what Sandy's doing in the RV. What are you doing in here?
I'm getting supper ready. What are you doing?
Okay, I just figured I'd show someone.
You're gonna show your mess?
I just figured I'd show the mess around the RV here that my wife can't keep it clean in here. I'm just kidding.
It's your mess. We're having nachos tonight.
Nice.
Leftover taco meat. Got cheese, got green onions, got some spices.
Looks awesome.
I'm gonna test this oven out for the first time, so wish me luck.
Okay, let me zoom in on that beautiful piece of art. Oh, can't wait till that gets melted.
Okay, let's put her in the oven and see what happens. All right.
I think you need to turn that oven up.
Oh. What makes you say that?
It doesn't look hot enough.
Well, it feels hot enough.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, I could be wrong.
Oh my gosh, honey. You're all over the place. So you're gonna taste it.
Okay.
It's gotta be gooey. That's what makes it good. You can put your sauces on the other side of you, you know.
That's a good idea. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Something not right. No, I'm kidding.
You good?
Very good.
All right. Goodness. Our first night was very peaceful, and the morning is beautiful. After breakfast, we're going to explore some of the many walking trails. Milo can't wait. Milo, we going for a walk?
Let's go, buds.
Let's go for a walk.
Oh, yeah.
Technically has a leash on.
Free firewood. The sites are massive. And the water is right here. Okay, so it's going to roll, so put your foot on it and then until it settles, and then just put light pressure and bounce over to here. Yeah. Hey, leave that. Milo. Milo. No.
No, you can't go swimming. It's yucky. Okay, if you can see what looks like white caps on the water, those are birds. A lot of birds.
And this is a lake. not the ocean.
They're seagulls, aren't they?
These are like a seagull. They're not quite. I don't know what their term is.
We're back from our walk, and Jason has decided to take Milo fishing while I catch up on some reading. It's another beautiful spring morning. Let's go see if the Njumes are up yet. Milo and I are going for a walk and maybe relax a bit while Andrew and Jason spend some time on the lake by themselves. We've had such a lovely time at Young's Point Provincial Park, but it's time to pack up and head for home. The campground is equipped with a dump station, so we'll make a quick stop there before we go. We hope you've been inspired to do some exploring of your own, because adventure awaits.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our
Hey, a little surprise for you millennials.
all the good times just begun.
Okay. This is a phone booth.
You know what we
This is where the phone book goes. No Google.
we're looking